If you're choosing aerial teacher training by how many poses, you must watch this. At Adiyogam, we don't chase numbers. We teach aerial yoga in its original real art form. Using 90 plus aerial movements, we have created 10 plus aerial yoga flows. In that, 2 warm-up sequences which are the most important to start your practice and to become an aerial yoga teacher.
I would say I've done yoga teacher trainings before, and this is very different because of one, the authenticity that comes in the learning. The knowledge of the teachers is amazing.
I couldn't have had a better experience anywhere else.
Really happy, grateful, burst of energy.
But here the focus has been on learning, and that's the main thing I would really recommend Adiyogam for.
Most courses skip fundamentals, but we start with rigging basics, wraps, the grip safety, load awareness, exit, entry, so that your first inversion should be calm, clean and safe.
Focus is only on yoga. So I think that dedication you won't get anywhere if you don't come to a place like
In terms of strength and coordination, flexibility, it's really just brought me to the next level in a lot of ways.
Professional life also, these are which is very stressful, very demanding. There also I can utilize these skills to calm me down and going to help my mental health.
I'm always going to recommend this to everyone. The kind of energy, the kind of positivity I felt here is definitely something everyone should experience once in their life.
They are seeking more authentic and comprehensive yoga experiences, then this is the place for them.
Very, very creative and welcoming and so open-minded. I felt so safe from day one. It's just such a journey, knowledge-wise, personality-wise. Everything that I've learned here and taken with me, it's gonna bring me so much further in life. So
I would recommend it to everyone. I would say that every youth has to once experience coming here in Adiyogam.
Adiyogam is the first school to blend Mudgar in aerial yoga training, which really complements for your grip strength and also the endurance and functional strength, which is really required for aerial yoga teacher training. You also get to experience the greenery around, beach at sunrise, and also you can get to experience a lot of events which are happening in Goa, a very authentic place, very beautiful place. It's not just about learning strength, flexibility or the poses, but the system behind it. Aerial yoga has evolved in such a way, and every detail will be taken care here. We will make you every bits and pieces of aerial yoga will be taught to you in an art form, real form, in an authentic form, so that when you go back, you can teach them safely and make people enjoy this art form. I would be looking forward to welcome you at Adiyogam. Namaste.